Check. Mic check, mic check. We good? What do I say? That's actually the first thing that everybody wants to ask if they want to be a professional host. Now, what do you actually say? There's a lot of things to consider if you want to be a professional host. You have to know what you need to say or what you want to say. The game here is how you actually say it. Who are you doing it for? Who is your audience? Where are they from? What do they do? You have to carefully profile your guests so that you know how to approach them, so that you would be able to connect to them. Now, the better question is, what are you doing this for? Are you here for the fame? Are you here for the money? Or maybe the chicks and the guys? If that's in your mind right now, you might be in the wrong business. So you want to be an MC. Do you have what it takes? My name is Moxx de Vera, and I'm a full-time professional host. I'm also a voice talent and a voice actor. I'm also an event consultant and now a hosting coach. As a host, you have to perform at a certain level and no less. And this is how you know that not everybody can do this job. Knowing what to say in front of an audience comes from preparation. As an MC, it's not really about you. The spotlight may be on you, but it's not you who's celebrating. We're like magicians. We have to create the illusion that nothing's happening in the background. There's chaos going on, but what people see is us being calm and confident. Our job is not to entertain. That's secondary to our role. What we actually need to do is to keep our audience paying attention and listening. Welcome to Your Inner Voice hosting workshops. This is more than just a seminar. It's more than just a class. This is your fundamentals of everything that you need to know to become a professional host. Your inner voice is your gut feeling. You have to master your voice, your body, and yourself. Because when your instinct tells you something, you have to immediately assess and take action. Because this is where your confidence starts from. There are 3 P's that you need to master to become a good host. Prepare, practice, and perform. You have to learn this by doing it. My workshop has activities, drills, and exercises that will simulate and stimulate your skills. And once you understand how to use it, this can unlock your full potential to be the best version of yourself. This workshop will help you become a well-rounded public speaker. It will also help you develop your voice and discover what else you can do with it, and everything else that can help you improve as a person and as a professional. I'll equip you with information on how to project your voice and your body language and how you can use them powerfully and efficiently. If you want to be the best, you have to allow yourself to learn from other successes and even failures. I think that would be your greatest investment. Whatever your strengths and trademarks are, that's you. What you're going to hear from me in this workshop is how you can discover it. I don't want you to stop learning, so I created a social media community. It's a support group, so if you have any bright ideas, if you have any questions, or anything you want to consult, you have a place you can call home. I cannot think of anything else that I would rather be doing than this. I have learned so much things, I have met a lot of people, and there's just this certain satisfaction of knowing that people appreciate your work. I want you guys to experience this. And with the right guidance, I know you can get there too. This is my legacy. And basically, I just want to pass down the torch to you. And from there, you can build your own legacy. It can't get any easier than that. If you're still watching until now, I know you're interested. So please like us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/yourinnervoiceworkshops, and sign up with our workshops now. The choice is yours. This is Moxx de Vera, and this is Your Inner Voice Hosting Workshops. We'll see you real soon.